ride, man. I'm not ride, man. I don't want them to ride, man, you see. I don't put up on the side, man, you see. Can't stop it up. Yeah, hear me, hear me, hear me. Yo! 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 Yo!
Hello friends, my name is Aubrey if you do not know me, and if you do know me, hello, welcome back to my channel. I was just sick like 2 days ago and I'm still trying to like get over it, so if my voice sounds annoying, I'm really sorry. It's because I was sick and I also still cannot hear anything out of my left ear, so I don't know how loud I'm talking. So today I decided I just want to do my makeup. I'm sorry if my makeup videos are like really boring, but I'm not into the whole like makeup challenges and stuff. I just want to like do my makeup, you know? I think for today I want to do like a blue and green moment, but I don't know, so we'll see what ends up actually happening. I just got this new Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer because I'm not into the whole like full coverage foundation when it starts getting nice outside and it's summer. Like, I don't want to just sweat off all my makeup, so I like to wear something light. If you guys want to see like a no makeup, like my summertime, just everyday like natural makeup, let a bitch know and I will do that for you guys. My brother and sister are both like calling me and texting me right now, like, come pick me up from school. I don't think so, honey, sorry. So today I do not want to start with my eyes because I hate doing that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my base. I really want to use my new tinted moisturizer today. I don't even know if this is the right color. I was trying so hard to like match it right in the store, but like this is the lightest shade that they have, called Cameo, and the one darker than this was like way too yellow, so it did not match me at all. So I'm hoping that this will be close enough. I mean, because it's a tinted moisturizer, it doesn't have to match like perfectly because it's not like super full coverage. If you're putting on like if you put on like a really full coverage foundation and it doesn't match you, then it's like really obvious that it doesn't match you because it's a lot more like opaque. I also got the oil-free one because my skin is like really oily but I feel like I have combination skin because my skin is like super oily and it gets really disgusting throughout the day, but as soon as I put anything on it that's like oil control, or like anytime I like wash my face or like do anything, it gets so crusty and dry and it is not cute, sis. I feel like a beauty blender is like not the way to go with this. Whoops. I'm like praying that this lasts me like a fat minute because I feel like this is not that big and it's so expensive. I think it was like $46. Like, sis, that's a little much. I am just gonna go in with my normal Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1, and I'm not gonna go super heavy with the concealer today. Alright, I feel like with the concealer that looks really cute. It looks super natural. I really like it. So I'm just going in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I'm just gonna set my face. I always get super worried whenever I get anything, like any kind of foundation that's like oil free or oil control or anything like that, because whenever I do use stuff like that, it makes my skin feel so dry, and then you can see like flakiness and it's not cute. But so far this, even though it's oil free, it doesn't feel like super drying. Even with the setting powder, it feels really comfortable, like really lightweight. I like it. I'm going to go ahead and bronze. I'm going to take my Physicians Formula butter bronzer and my R14 brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to go ahead and bronze like I normally would. Ew, that looks disgusting. Okay, you know what? I might have to bake because this looks like shit. I hate putting that much powder on my face. I need to bake because my skin gets so oily throughout the day. So like by the end of the day, even if I have foundation on and like setting powder and everything, my skin just looks so greasy and nasty. But if I do bake, it helps prevent that, but then when I wipe off the bake, my skin just feels so dry. Okay, now I guess I'm gonna bake because my bronzer looks like fucking shit. If you guys hear any strange noises, my dogs are playing right outside my door and they're like aggressively ramming into my door. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows really quick off camera and we'll be right back when I have brows on, I guess. Alright, I'm back. I put my eyebrows on and I carved them out with some concealer. I also put the concealer all over my eyelid to prime, and I did not set it because I am going to be going in with my James Charles X Morphe palette. This is literally my favorite eyeshadow palette ever. I don't really have a plan, so we're just gonna kind of like put some colors on here and like see what happens. So before I start, I'm gonna like make sure that there's no creases in my concealer on my eyes. And I'm gonna start by going in with my Morphe M431. It's just a little pencil brush. And I'm gonna go in with this cool, like, I don't really know what it is. It looks like a periwinkle kind of, but it's like more blue than it is purple. And I'm gonna put that on my outer corner. And I'm just gonna bring this up into my crease. And I'm just gonna start by like packing the color on there and not blending it out. I just wanna focus on getting the color down first so that I can get as much pigment as possible. And I'm gonna start by putting it in this like rounded shape. And once I have that color down, I'm gonna take this same brush and I'm gonna take this lighter blue, and I'm gonna use that to blend out the edges. And blue shadows are really hard to work with, so you just have to be patient and take your time. And I'm not bringing this all the way into my crease. I'm just gonna stop like right there and leave a little bit of space because I think I want to put either some purple or some green there. We'll see how I'm feeling. So once I kind of blend that out, I'm just gonna go in with a clean Morphe M531. It's just a big fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go over that to try to blend it out a little bit more. Okay, so whenever that is blended out a decent amount, you do lose some of the color. As you can see, it gets a little bit patchy. So I'm gonna go back in with that more like periwinkle color, and I'm just gonna kind of add some of that color back and try to blend it out at the same time. So just putting it back in the same spot that I had it originally, and then just kind of blending out the edges slowly into that lighter blue. Okay, whenever that is blended out enough, I'm gonna go in with the darker blue and just a little tiny bit, and I'm gonna put this just right on this outer corner just to kind of deepen it up a little bit more. I'm gonna take a little bit of this light purple in the palette on that same pencil brush because I do my eyeshadow with literally one brush because it's my favorite. And I'm just gonna put this right here on the inner corner. And you just kind of blend it into that blue and then blend out the edges a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that darker purple in the palette. And I'm just going to use a tiny bit of this to deepen up that shade just a little bit. And going back in with the lighter purple to blend it out. And then I'm just using that big fluffy brush again to blend out the edges. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just do like a half cut crease off camera, and I'll be right back when I put the shadow on there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my shitty little brush that I always use when I do this, and I'm gonna use my Morphe setting spray to wet my brush. And I'm first gonna go in with this light blue shimmery shade, and I'm just gonna put this on the inner corner. So whenever I do a cut crease, when I put shadow on my lid, it either makes it look really cool or it fucks it up really bad. Okay, so once I have that light blue where I want it, I'm gonna use that same brush and wet it again. And I'm gonna go in with this shimmery purple shade, and it kind of has like blue reflex in it. And I'm gonna put this on the outside and really hope that it does not fuck anything up. Alright, and then I'm going to try to kind of blend these two together. Going back in with the light blue to kind of go over the edges and blend those together. Now I'm going to go back in with that little pencil brush and I'm going to mix the like periwinkle and the darker blue together. And I'm just gonna kind of add this on the outer corner right here to blend the purple into the blue. Now I'm gonna take my little teeny tiny brush and just the light shimmery color from that palette, and I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone. I'm also gonna put a little bit of that same color on my inner corner. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with that really light purple that we used, and I'm gonna put this, just focusing it on my inner corner, and I'm gonna bring it about halfway. Then I'm gonna take some of that like periwinkle color and put that on the outer corner and blend those two together in the middle. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of the darker purple and kind of blend that in with the light purple. And then taking a little bit of the dark blue and adding that to the outer corner. And then I'm gonna take some of that light blue mixed with the periwinkle to kind of blend out the blue. And then I'm just gonna go in with my clean fluffy brush to blend it out. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay blush and my Morphe E4 brush, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of blush on. And then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Glow Kit and my, where the fuck is my highlighter brush? My little Morphe highlighting brush, and I'm gonna use the shade Summer, just the gold one, and I'm just gonna highlight my cheekbones, above the brow, my chin, my cupid's bow, and then with my finger, just the tip of my nose, down the bridge. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe setting spray, and I'm just gonna set my face. An awesome cut crease hack. If your cut crease doesn't look very good, mine's pretty okay, so I mean, I could leave it like this, but if you fuck it up, or if you want to just add something a little extra, you can use glitter. I use the Urban Decay glitters. I have the gold one and the silver one. I just got the silver one, so I'm gonna use it, and I feel like silver would look a little bit better with this. So just take glitter and like line your cut crease. I can't talk while I do this, but it will make it look a million times better. So I finally got a new Kat Von D tattoo liner, so I don't have to use that shitty NYX one or whatever it was, the one that bleeds really bad. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a little wing really quick, put on some mascara, put on my lashes, and I will be right back to finish this up. Alright, I put on some lashes, and I just used my official mink lashes in the style Queen, I think. Yeah, I just did some winged liner and put on some mascara. We're looking cute. I don't have anywhere to go for like 6 more hours, so I'm not gonna put lipstick on. Later, I'm probably just gonna use my Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Flirt, because it is my favorite liquid lipstick ever, and just because it's like a brown nude, it matches pretty much anything. So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on my notifications so you know when I post, because that'd be lit. And I will see you guys next week. Goodbye.